In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge activities in Strava app. While Strava doesn't offer a single button to merge activities, you can still combine them reliably with a few simple workarounds. I'll walk you through the best approach for accuracy, a quick option if you just want it to look combined, and a third route using external apps so you can pick what fits your needs. The most accurate way is to upload a merged file. Start by exporting both activities from Strava. Open each activity on the web, click the three dots for more, and choose Export GPX. Do this for both sessions you want to join. Next, merge those GPX files using a tool such as GPX Studio or FitFile tools. These tools let you combine the tracks into a single continuous route, and this is where it's important to make sure the timestamps line up in chronological order. If the times overlap or have a big gap, the combined file may show odd pauses or jumps. Once merged, head back to Strava on the web, click Upload Activity, and select your new merged GPX file. You'll now have one activity with accurate distance, moving time, pace, and a clean map. If you prefer not to keep duplicates, you can delete the original separate activities afterward. If you just want it to appear combined without changing the actual stats, you can manually edit one activity. Open one of the activities and update the title to something like Morning plus Evening Run. In the description, add the details of the second activity so the context is clear. Keep both activities in your account, but treat the edited one as the main summary. Just remember, the downside is that the metrics remain separate, so totals, segments, and training load won't reflect a true merge. There's also the option to use third-party apps. Tools like Godos or Golden Cheetah can sync and merge activities automatically. They typically generate a single combined file for you to upload back to Strava. This can be convenient if you do this frequently. Just make sure the timestamps align so the final file looks continuous. A couple of important notes as you choose your method. You can't merge directly inside the Strava mobile app, so you'll need to use Strava on the web or an external tool. And accurate merging depends on proper timestamps, especially if you pause between sessions. That's it. Choose the method that matches your goal, and you'll have your activities combined in no time.